I guess he's done. The room's clearing out. You see all them people? There was just like 5 or 6. There's more, but... Oh, they're probably getting autographs. Oh, there's one more. Oh, look at, see, here they come. You see all them gray tops? All them, like, old folks? Yeah. Oh, there goes a couple more. Yep. Oh, my turn. This motherfucker will put me in check? Oh, shit. Okay. Uh-huh. I see what you're doing. Uh-huh. Wow, I can't hold still for shit. This camera's shaky. Okay. How do I want to get out of check?
There's only one place you can't do, otherwise move your queen.
Yeah, and kill him? Kill her? Son of a whore. Move over to there. Your turn. Oh, really? At least I'm not in check again. Oh, but you're coming after my queen. Oh, you got her. You got her. If I move her, your next move's checkmate. I see it. If I move her out the way up, he's just gonna go boom, checkmate. Okay, I see. And this is shitty. Ooh, hold on. What if I try this little sneaky move? Is that gonna work?
Homie, you walked right into
This motherfucker. Oh, he got me. He got me.
it. You walked right into it.
He got me. I beat him the first game, so it's 1-1, but
Yeah, well.
I think we're gonna give up for the moment, though.
Yeah.
It's still raining out there.
I know.
Fuck. Let's get it out. You know what that means. Homie, we gotta go.
Let's go.
We gotta go out in this rain. Shit. Son of a whore.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Still raining. Time to go to the gazebo. Shit. Alright, I'm ready. Ready to do this? And we're off. Holy hell, yep, it's raining.
Carried the cigarette wet in my hand.
Oh, ouch.
Oh, you fucking did.
I didn't do it.
Oh, you. Oh, thank God we're not getting hit with that puddle.
No, but we're getting hit with, like, oh man. The angels are pissing on us.
Right.
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Park. That's the quickest route. Holy shit.
Yeah, but we're not going to be able to run through the field.
I know, we still gotta walk around the field though. It's freaking loony. I mean, I got my buddy Raven sending me money for a hotel room, but I can't get that tonight. So it looks like I'm out in the rain tonight. Come tomorrow, probably the hotel room. Yes, the gazebo. We gotta cut this way around the sidewalk because I'm sure that field is puddled. Whoa! I need tread on my shoes. This is a fucking slip and slide sidewalk. Hi, gazebo, we're coming. I hope my bike's not wet. If you listen carefully, you can tell they changed the bell on the train station. It sounds different. Oh no. Oh, I think everything is freaking soaked. Oh, it is. Oh, fucking bloody hell. Over there's dry. So it looks like I gotta push it over there. And with the snap of the finger, it's there. Yep, magic. Now it's dry. Or not dry, but it's out of the rain at least. You can totally see that. Damn it. That whole edge. It looks like I'm sleeping over here tonight. Hi, Vita.
Hi.
Can I get a cigarette?
Maybe.
Maybe. But you're the cigarette fairy.
Okay, I'm a cigarette fairy. Whatever.
See? Ah, see, look at that. She's the cigarette fairy. Fucking A right. Thank you, Vita. I got a Camel cigarette. And it's menthol. I think they're about to plant a tree in my garden. Oh, I don't think you can see it too well. Hold on, let me get a better angle. Can you see it now? They're planting me a tree in my garden, guys. Yay, I get a tree. Yay. Your what hurts?
Put it dead center of your house.
Yay! Plant a tree right there, dead center in my living room. And sprout. Hopefully it's either a money tree or a pot plant. It's 10 o'clock. The light went out. 10 o'clock. That's what that means. I said that last night. Yep, 10 o'clock. Everybody's still here. There he is. There she is. And I'm doing the carousel. Vita's giving me a ride to go get my duffel bag so I don't get wet in the rain. Hell yeah. Damn Skippy. Well, I'm gonna put my bag in the back right a second.
Been doing for you.
Thank you, Vita.
Except a gentleman should do that for a woman. Not a woman doing that for a man.
Whatever works. Shit, Vita. These wild cherry things. Oh God, I gotta do it. I gotta wipe my head on it. I do this because I like the smell of them. And every time she does it, yeah, see? Now I smell it. Now I smell it on my hat. Smells good. Yeah, sing it, Vita. You were just singing it under your breath.
Just take
What
it.
the hell are you listening to? Uh-huh.
I'm getting a new car soon.
Oh, yeah?
Yep. Oh man.
What kind do you want?
I'm getting a Nissan Rogue
Or it's-
or the Nissan.
It's right up here, Vita, before the bridge. Nope, nope. No, keep going. The last car. The last
No,
car.
the red one.
Yeah.
The red one?
Yep, because this is the bridge. I just gotta cross it now to get my bag.
Oh, I'm on 3 and 4.
Of course, as soon as I get here, there's a train. It stopped, I think. I shouldn't cross. It'll see me. Yeah, it's coming. It'll see me. I gotta wait for it to pass. Okay, I can go get my bag. I'll be right back, Vita. Yeah, I know, there's puddles everywhere. I'm on a bridge, too. Oh yeah, there's big puddles right here. Whoa.